Breastfeeding is a beautiful journey, but for first-time mothers, it can also feel overwhelming. If you're a new mom wondering whether you're doing it right, remember this: you're not alone, and breastfeeding is a skill that both you and your baby learn together. One of the most important breastfeeding tips is to start as early as possible. Try to breastfeed within the first hour after birth if you can. Early skin-to-skin contact helps your baby latch better and stimulates milk production. Don't worry if it feels awkward at first. Practice makes a big difference. Getting the right latch is key to successful and pain-free breastfeeding. Make sure your baby's mouth covers not just the nipple, but also a good portion of the areola. A deep latch helps your baby get enough milk and prevents sore nipples. If you feel pain beyond the first few seconds, gently break the latch and try again. Comfort matters a lot while breastfeeding. Choose a position that supports your back, arms, and shoulders. You can use pillows to bring your baby to breast level instead of leaning forward. Popular breastfeeding positions include the cradle hold, cross-cradle hold, football hold, and side-lying position. Try different positions to see what works best for you and your baby. Feed your baby on demand, not by the clock. Newborns usually feed every 2 to 3 hours, sometimes even more often. Watch for hunger cues like rooting, sucking on hands, or lip movements. Crying is a late hunger sign, so try to feed before your baby becomes too upset. Staying hydrated and well-nourished is essential for breastfeeding moms. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and eat a balanced diet with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and protein-rich foods. Your body needs extra energy to produce milk, so don't skip meals. It's normal to worry about milk supply, especially in the beginning. The best way to increase milk supply is frequent breastfeeding. The more your baby feeds, the more milk your body produces. Trust your body and your baby's cues. Don't hesitate to ask for help. Lactation consultants, nurses, and experienced mothers can offer valuable guidance. If you're facing challenges like nipple pain, engorgement, or concerns about your baby's weight gain, professional support can make a huge difference. Lastly, be kind to yourself. Breastfeeding doesn't have to be perfect to be successful. Every drop of breast milk is beneficial for your baby. Take it one day at a time, celebrate small wins, and remember, you're doing an amazing job as a mother.